rear axle alignment, calibration.
We're going to start calibration off by showing you the 5 pieces involved with the calibration process. You have a slotted target, a manual target, a bracket allowing you to use your electronic target and the computer system, and 2 stands to hold the 22,000 laser beam. You want to start by setting up your laser stands at each end of the beam. Go ahead and pick up your beam, putting the nose in first, set it down in. Then take your slotted target, move it approximately a foot out in front of the laser. And then whether you're using an electronic target or a manual target, this now needs to put approximately 24 to 25 feet away from the laser. We are going to use the electronic target, so we're going to use this base. You have a level on it, so once you have it positioned on the floor, turn this knob until it's level, and then taking your electronic target that's supplied with your computer system, place it on top of the base. You can take the other one and just set it out of the way. Once you have the target in place, you need to turn it on. Now that you've placed your targets and everything's in place, go ahead and turn your laser on and slide the whole tube until it shoots through the slotted target. Now that I've shot the laser through here, I need to now adjust the target so that the laser is hitting the target. At this point, I will also check to see if it's still level. If it is not, I will make an adjustment for it. Now that I'm hitting the back target, I need to adjust down until the bright red light comes on. That's telling you that you have a good hit. At this point, we need to go to the computer and start the calibration screens. Okay, you want to go to the function screen. Once in functions, click on the calibration button. And now in the calibration, you'll notice one that's called tandem calibration. Click on it. In this case, it's showing you all the 5 pieces which we showed you before. Number 1 being the optional electronic target if you have it. Once you have the pieces set up, as we've done already, click continue. This is explaining you to set up the targets, set the laser beam on the laser stands, and to hit the reading with the laser target. When that does, continue button will highlight. Once the continue button is highlighted, click continue. Now it's asking you to pick the tandem laser up and turn it upside down. When you are at this point, you need to now rotate the laser tube and turn it upside down. When doing this, you want to carefully tip the laser tube forward, and I stress that you need to tip it forward. It will not pull straight out. Lift up once you've got it tilted. Turn the unit upside down. Reinstall the exact same way you took out by tilting it forward and setting it to the back of the mouse. Now slide the whole unit so it shoots through the slotted target. Once it shoots through the slotted target, then adjust your laser beam until it hits the tandem target. Once you have the laser tube turned upside down and you have it hitting the target and it is a solid red light shining back at you, your continue button will be turned blue on the screen. Click on it at this point. And now you will have a set of numbers up top of the screen along with 2 arrows. What you want to do at this point is adjust the adjusting screw until the 2 numbers match or the arrow turns green itself. Now that you have your readings, you need to adjust the laser. Using this hole supplied at the front, taking a flat blade, turn the screw until the arrows turn green. Now that we've made an adjustment, we've turned the arrows green, we now need to take the laser tube and turn it back right side up. Again, tilting the tube slightly forward, lift it up, rotate it, tip the tube forward again, set her in the stands, slide her until she shoots through the slot, and adjust it on the target. Now that we've flipped it over and we've confirmed that it is still green and calibrated, we are done with the calibration process.